Hi and welcome back to episode 4 of Classic Mini Restoration of the 1989 behind me. Today we've got a little bit of time between work, so just going to get these subframe mounts off the subframe, hopefully, save those. We've got new bushes and obviously we are replacing the subframe, so just try and get them off, and then that subframe can go into the scrap pile, which is getting bigger and bigger. The last few nights I've just been coming out when I can and just spraying it with some oil to try and loosen them up a little bit. I used to always use WD-40, but I actually use this now. Anyone has used it, let me know in the comments below. I used to use WD-40, but it's actually my father-in-law to be that said, why don't you try some of this? And it's been really decent. I've actually preferred it to WD-40 since, so nothing against WD-40, but that stuff's actually sort of got me out the sticky bit a lot more than WD-40 recently. So yeah, it's a lot more oily based. It seems to go all over the place. You've got to clean it up, but it's a lot better. So I'm going to continue to use that. Then you got ratchet and an 11/16 socket. Hopefully we'll try and get these off. So I'll spin you around and see how we get on. Right, so we'll start with this one here. A bit more spray. Coming off okay. Starting to get a bit tight there, so let's go back again a little bit. Tight again, so just knock it back. Like I say, we're not keeping the subframe, but after everything else on this subframe, it'd be nice for something to come off. So this oil seems to be doing its job. Working our way off. Tight on the end, but we're nearly there. There we go, one off without snapping. So it's very warm, but it's off. So it should be one mount. There we go. Big washer there. Obviously we'll try and replace that. Slide it off. One very rusty subframe mount, but we're going to clean all these up and paint them all. Obviously replace all the bushings. We're actually going to go poly bush of it. So yeah, this falls out. Absolutely knackered. I mean, look at that. It's completely cracked and gone. So I'll crack on and get the rest done. Yeah, so that's one off. I won't bore you by showing you how to take 3 bolts off. So I'll whip all the other ones off. Hopefully they come off just as easy as this one did. And I'll get back to you and see what the plan of action is. Right, you join me back. I've managed to get the subframe mounts off. However, quite a few persuasion tools were used on the last one. Namely this. But we do have all the mounts off. I'll spin you around and I'll show you them. They're pretty bad. One of them I'm going to have to replace now, so have a look. Right, here's all the mounts in Grim for Glory. These ones came off okay. I've cleared the bushes out. That'll come off nice with a wire wheel, and I'll probably send off powder coating when everything else gets powder coating. That's that. This is the same. The bushes just sort of pull out of it. They're all absolutely annihilated, the bushes. So again, can clean that one up. This one came out okay. You can see I had to grip it a little bit and eventually it came out. I think I am going to replace both of these, basically because the other one has just been absolutely mullered. So this one's not in its best form. However, the bush is absolutely gone as well. So we can just try and get the bushes out of there. Let me just put you guys down, so I've got to need both hands. Alright, so we're trying to get the bush out of this now. Now we've got 2 hands. Seems like it's a one-piece bush. I've managed to start to pry it out. Sort of flaky stuff coming out of it. So there's that one out. That is then again reusable. Yeah, these bushes are really worn. You can actually see profile there on the top along there. It doesn't really have that there. It's gone flat. So yeah, that's battered. So like I said, they're all going to be in polyface polybush. This one, however, it's yeah, it's seen better days. I hit it with a grinder getting it out of the car originally, and now I've damaged it quite a bit there. Probably try and weld it up, I suppose. But if anyone does have one of these, so it's the one that goes into the sill, so your bolts going in like that, please comment or message me. It'd be great to try and get another one. If not, I'll have to try and source another one and find another one, or pinch one off another project if we can find one. But I think all the others are being used or on cars. So yeah, if anyone's got one of these, that'd be great. So that's all of those off. All these bushes going straight in the bin. Both of these are being replaced. The other one's still jammed to the subframe. It literally won't come off. So yeah, parts to be ordered. Right, so another short video, I suppose. Managed to get those off anyway. So like I say, I do need to replace this one. Try and get hold of another one, because it's lost quite a bit of its, yeah, it's got a bit giddy with the grinder, the old mate grinder. Pretty much every single persuasion tool got deployed. Got your pry bars out, or your hammers, but they're off anyway. That subframe is now going in a skip. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. If you've not already, please see our Instagram page, Simpsons Classics 59. We've got a lot of pictures and updates there, club meets, just our cars, pictures, everything basically goes through there. So yeah, thanks again. Have a good weekend. See you later, guys.